back from the grocery trip, supermarket. Okay, today I am going to talk about how I clean my vegetables and prepare my kitchen for the week. Here we go. I start first with a cup of vinegar. I already have some water in this pan. Vinegar helps clean and disinfect, and especially after COVID, I have found it to be very important to clean the vegetables as soon as they come in. I don't know who has touched it. I don't know where they have passed. So first step for me is to remove all the stickers and make sure that they go and take a dip in the vinegar water, and then I wash and dry them, and then of course the next step. Just make sure all the stickers are out. Okay. Before I proceed further, I take 2 clean towels and line them up here on my counter. That's good. And then we take all the vegetables and start lining them up to dry. to dry all the fruits and vegetables thoroughly. These are some very good peaches. It is very important to dry all the fruits thoroughly, otherwise they're going to be spoiled. And sometimes when I zest the lemons or oranges, it's the best way because they're already clean, they're washed twice, they're dried, they're stored in a safe environment, so the zest is quite safe to be consumed. I finished my fruits. My fruits for the week are ready to consume. They go at the center of my table. The rest are vegetables. The same treatment, I'm going to wipe them thoroughly. They'll all go into the refrigerator. I have to be very loving, especially to the avocados. Make sure the towel is dry, really dry. There's no point in using wet towel. You don't want any trace of water on your fruits or vegetables. So I'm done with my vegetables cleaning, and all of these will go into my refrigerator later. Now is the time for all my green leaves, and the trick with this is that you can't have any water at all, and look at it how much water it has after I have washed it. So what I'm going to do is divide this probably into batches. And I have this little gadget. It's available everywhere very freely. Just spin it a couple of times. Back it goes here. Get rid of the water. Look at how much water. will do like this for all these leafy vegetables, and then I'll show you how to save them for a couple of weeks in your refrigerator without them going bad. Okay, I'm back to cleaning my greens, and it's very important to clean the greens this way. Otherwise, they'll all get destroyed and they won't last long. Cleaning my dill herbs, and this is the way you can do for cilantro, parsley, everything else. So what I do is I take a Ziplock container, line it up with a paper towel, this one I'll use it now, so just close it like this, and in goes into the refrigerator. This is a trick I learned from my 86-year-old mother-in-law. Here is the parsley. I did it 2 weeks ago and it is fresh. So in this way you can save all your herbs fresh for weeks on end, and you don't need to worry about them being spoiled at all. Okay, so these are additional greens that I brought. I have different types of them. This is some dandelion leaves. This is some green onions. So I have different types, and I'm going to use them to make some green side dish today, but that's for another episode. Thank you for watching me. Okay, so that was my weekly produce ritual. I've earned a good cup of tea and a rest. Today is Sunday and Houston is pretty cold in spite of being so sunny. It's time for me to sit down, enjoy my cup of tea and plan what I am going to cook for the week. I need to come back and make sure those leafy vegetables that I got are dried and stored properly in the kitchen, but that's for later. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends. This is a very important trick that we do to clean our vegetables and fruits so that our families can be safe, especially in times of COVID.